Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to create a swimming pool in Revit 2027. Go to Models, then go to New, then select Metric Multi-Decibels, then press on OK. Change the unit, press UN, then go to Length, then Units, let's make it meters, and the rounding, let's make it 2 decimals, then press OK, then press OK. Then go to architectural, floor plans, go to level 1 architectural, then go to component, model in place, let's select floor, then select it, then press OK. Name it whatever you want, then press OK. After that, go to extrusion, then go to rectangle. I want to make a rectangle. Let's make it, the width is 6 meter by 20 meter. Now let's make the rounding. Select this fillet arc, select the first one and the second one, and let's make it 0.5, and these also the same, 0.5, and this one the same. Also this one is the same, 0.5. Then let's make an offset. Go to offset, select offset, let's make it 0.5 or 0.1. Then select all these lines, press on tab to select multiple lines, then press on it. Then go to modify, then press on finish. And let's make the extrusion end is -6 meter, and the extrusion start is -6 meter, and the extrusion end from 0.1. Now let's go to create extrusion. Let's make a multi lines, select work plane, and let's make it level 1, then press OK. Multi lines, select this line, then press on tab to select multiple line and press on it. Now let's make offset. Let's make it 2 meters. Again, select it, press on tab to select multiple lines, then press on it on your mouse. Then press on finish. Select it, let's make it 0.1. Now let's make a cut. Go to 3D, then go to front. After that, select create, then void form, void extrusion, then set work plane, pick a plane, then press OK. Let's select this face, press on tab, and I have these 2 lines. Let's select them, then press on lines. I want from here, I want to go 1 meter and 3 meter, and let's go right like this. This one, let's delete it, then press on finish. Go to 3D, select our void, then let's make it like this. And here is our section. Go to front again, select, go to create, then select extrusion, then select set work plane, the same work plane that we are set. Let's make it again, pick a plane, then press OK. Let's select this work plane, then press on pick lines, and let's select all of these lines. Delete this too. Again, line from here, and another one from here. Let's make an offset. Let's make it 0.1. Select your lines, press on tab to select multiple lines, then press on your mouse. Go to trim and extend. Select this line with this one, also this one with this one. The same. Then press on finish. Select it again, go right, and let's make it like this. And here is our plane. After that, go to architectural, create, or go to 3D. Let's make the water, extrusion, set work plane, the same work plane, then go to lines, and let's make our lines. Press on finish, go right, select it, and let's make it like this, and this one the same. And here is our water. Now let's make our materials. Select the first one. Let's select the water. Then go here in materials. After we select it, here in materials we have by categories. Press on this square. The material library will be open like this. Now search. Let's make water. And select your material, then press OK. And here is our material. Let's make it realistic. From here, make it realistic. And here is our materials. Also this one the same. Let's make this one wood. Select it, go materials by categories. Let's make it wood. Like this one, then press OK. And this one also the same. Let's select it. Let's make it materials. Let's make it tile. Then press OK. Also this one the same. And here is our swimming pool.